So today, other classes are catching up and finishing still. Some of us are still finishing. Some of us need to still do test corrections and just in general turn stuff in. So that's what we're going to work on today. But I am going to put in 6.1 and 6.2 here today or tomorrow. So make sure you're looking at that. There is no school on Monday, right? 3-day weekend. And then make sure you've done your course selection. If you have not picked your courses, make sure you turn this into your counselor and you go to Skyward here and you pick your courses. If you don't know what to pick, you can go to the perk at lunch tomorrow and get some help from a counselor, okay? But let's do this inverse equation. Now, we've been doing these a lot, okay? But this one starts with a cube root, okay? So we've started with a cube. What do we do when we have a cube root? So same steps, we want to solve for, well, first of all, turn f of x into y, right? So y is equal to cube root of x plus 3 minus 7. And then with x and y, we switch places, right? So this is x equals cube root of y plus 3 minus 7. Now, what do I get rid of first? Is it the cube, the 3, or the 7? The loner, the opposite minus 7 is plus 7. Right? So x plus 7 equals the cube root of y plus 3. Okay, so the next thing we get rid of is obviously a 3, but which one? Is it the cube root or is it the plus 3? Which one goes away first? Okay, so you can't touch the plus 3 inside until you get rid of this cube root outside. So yeah, let's get rid of the cube root. What is the opposite of cube root? So y'all remember, to get rid of a cube, you do the cube root. So backwards, to get rid of a cube root, you're going to put a cube with the third power, right? So take the whole left side, put it in parentheses, and then cube it. Take the whole right side and cube it. The cube root and the cube cancel out on the right side, and now we have x plus 7 cubed equals y plus 3. Last step to get rid of this plus 3 and what? Minus 3. And remember, that's not going to combine with the 7. It's going to go after the parentheses. So our final answer, f inverse of x equals x plus 7 cubed minus 3. Okay. Okay. If you need to pick your courses, you can use a Chromebook. Just let me know if you still need to do that. But main thing you want to do right now, if I give you test corrections to do or quiz corrections, you need to do that first. If you didn't finish your quiz yesterday for some reason, you can do that. And I need you to finish 6.1, 6.2, check Skyward, see if you have any other missing work. If you've done literally everything and none of that applies to you, then there's a puzzle over here next to the term pen that you can work on. Okay? It says, what is the world's saddest candy? Okay? I'm going to work on right here. Everybody should be working on something. Okay? I'm going to let y'all work, and I'm going to put y'all's grades in, and then get y'all on these corrections. So let's get started here.